coverage of a live Pinpoint Doppler 12 weather alert.
Blizzard-like conditions are expected tomorrow, and you, the viewer, will be a vital part of our storm coverage.
As long as you can do so safely, please send us your storm photos or videos to report it at WPRI.com. You can also use and submit them using the reported function on our mobile app on our website.
And don't forget to include your name and where the picture or video was taken so we can give you credit if we use it on the air or online.
Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, our entire weather team here looking at the latest data. In fact, TJ and I were looking at some of the data and just shaking our heads. Just incredible, the kind of numbers, the impressive numbers that we are looking at with this upcoming storm. Confidence is high. Just a high impact storm system for later Friday night into at least the first half of Saturday. Let's set the stage first. Show you the weather players because the storm is now starting to come together. And this is a classic textbook example of how a nor'easter forms. And what we usually see here is a main storm system that'll tend to pass through the Great Lakes while the secondary one forms off the Carolina coastline. And this ends up becoming the primary storm. And what it does is it actually takes energy from this dying storm and it's transferred into the new one. And the bottom line is a brand new coastal storm takes shape and it just intensifies rapidly. And when we see this, we know that there's some serious weather down the road. And in this case, it's a bona fide nor'easter and blizzard. So obviously a lot to cover. First of all, the calm before the storm. If you're heading out, running some last minute errands, the weather's fine. The clouds are on the increase. Temperatures now in the upper 20s in most spots, though Block Island now coming in at 36. The watch now has been converted to a warning, meaning blizzard conditions are now likely, coupled with a very strong wind. A high wind warning also issued as well. Even if we weren't to have any snow or rain, just the winds alone, the wind speeds alone have us concerned about the potential for some power outages. All right, what's the deal? What are all these lines? Well, you know, we've been talking about the rain-snow line and how different computers put the rain-snow line in different places. In other words, this line divides snow to the north and rain to the south. So, you know, where does a rain-snow line set up? Because that obviously makes a difference as far as who gets X amount of snow and who gets a little bit less. Right now, based on the information that we've been looking at, we're going to assume that the rain-snow line is going to just come a little bit to the south coast and then go back out to sea. So bottom line, those locations, South Shore, that change over to sleet and rain briefly, you will go back over to all accumulating snow. So the net result is a substantial snowfall on the order of 10 to 18 inches South Shore, 15 to 20 further north, and then 24 to 30 plus inches north and west of the Route 95 corridor, and especially up into northern Rhode Island through Route 495 and just west of the Boston area. And obviously that is major league snowfall here. And coupled with winds that are very strong is why we feel as though power outages are likely. Calm weather right now, clouds are streaming in, and certainly this evening no problems. And overnight tonight the weather will stay dry as temperatures drop down through the upper teens to lower 20s. All right, this is what it looks like right now. Let's take it into the future. We'll start off this evening at 10 o'clock. Gray is cloud cover. Blue represents snow. Light blue is light snow. When you see the darker blue, that is heavier snow. So most of the night is dry. Now tomorrow morning early, it just starts off, this is 9 o'clock in the morning, as light snow. And then watch the darker blues come in during the afternoon. This is 2 o'clock. It's really starting to come down. 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the evening, very dark blues, very heavy snow. Any mixing on the South Shore will change back over to all snow. It continues in the wee hours of the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, heavy snow into tomorrow, into Saturday morning, into Saturday afternoon as well. It doesn't pull away until Saturday evening. So for tonight, it is quiet, the calm before the storm, temperature at 28. Initially, it's light snow. The visibility is not bad. Watch how it changes like a light switch in the afternoon. Poor visibility, very heavy snow, difficult travel, the wind picking up as well. So storm impacts, wind damage likely, power outages likely, travel halted by Friday evening, Friday night. At that time, we may be dealing with snowfall rates on the order of 1 to 3 inches per hour. Let me show you hour by hour how the snow will tally up. starting with Friday morning. I mean, initially nothing on the ground, and then watch how it goes up. So by the midnight hour, it's up to a foot of snow, and it just continues Friday night into Saturday. So let's pick up where we left off, and the snow totals continue to go up and up and up. So by Saturday afternoon, we're talking about 24 inches of snow away from the coastline. Things finally improve Saturday night, and especially on Sunday with sunshine, a temperature of 34, and of all things, rain showers on Monday, warmer, and a high of 41. So wrapping it all up, confidence is high of a high impact, serious winter storm on the way for tomorrow. The worst of it Friday evening, Friday night, into at least the first part of Saturday.
All righty, Tony, thanks a lot. More coverage you can count on still ahead on Eyewitness News.